Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and this is Stockhead's Who's Who on the ASX. It's the who, what, where, when and why of ASX listers, giving you a snapshot of standout players in the small cap space. Recce Pharmaceuticals is at the forefront of tackling antimicrobial resistance, or AMR for short. The World Health Organization describes AMR as one of the most significant threats to global public health and development. Antimicrobials, which include antibiotics, antivirals, antifungals, and antiparasitic drugs, are essential for preventing and treating infections in humans, animals, and plants. AMR makes infections harder to treat and makes other medical procedures and treatments much riskier. Let's take a look at a company snapshot. Trading on the ASX and FSE under the ticker RCE, Recce is based in Australia and is a clinical stage biotech focusing on development of a new class of synthetic anti-infectives. Recce's anti-infectives have a universal mechanism of action. This means they are broadly effective across different types of microorganisms and have an ability to overcome hypercellular mutation. It has secured more than 40 patents across major pharmaceutical markets that are valid until 2041. The company has also been recognised by the World Health Organization, which added Recce compounds to its list of antibacterial products in clinical development for priority pathogens. To support ongoing clinical development and efforts to scale up, Recce has a fully owned, automated manufacturing facility in Australia. The company's board is led by Chair Dr. John Prendergast, who is based in the US and holds extensive experience in the international commercialisation of pharmaceutical technologies. He's joined by Managing Director and CEO James Graham, who brings extensive experience in marketing, business development and the commercialisation of early-stage technologies with global potential. Other members of the board include Chief Medical Advisor and Non-Executive Director Dr. Alan Dunton, Executive Director and Chief Scientific Officer Michelle Delizia, Executive Director and Principal Quality Chemist Dr. Justin Ward, and Non-Executive Director Alistair McKeag. Recce's lead candidate, R327, is a broad-spectrum synthetic anti-infective with both intravenous and topical formulations. Unlike traditional antibiotics, R327's potency doesn't diminish with repeated use, a major breakthrough against resistant bacteria. It has received a qualified infectious disease product designation by the US FDA, providing 10 years of market exclusivity plus fast-tracked approval. The drug is being advanced for multiple indications, including sepsis, urosepsis, burn wound infections, and diabetic foot infections. The company is running a pivotal Phase 3 trial in Indonesia for R327 topical gel in diabetic foot infections, targeting approval and first revenues as early as 2026. In Indonesia, diabetic foot infections impact 11% of the population, demonstrating a vast medical need for Recce's products. And clinical approval here also serves as a gateway to the broader Asian market. Recce is also advancing a broader portfolio of synthetic anti-infectives, targeting a range of unmet medical needs across bacterial infections, including acute bacterial skin and skin structure infections. The company also has a cooperative R&D agreement with the US Army Medical Research Institute of Infectious Diseases to evaluate R327 against biothreat pathogens targeting burn wound infections. For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.